Hello and welcome to the course. My name is Ankit Tiwari and I am instructor for this course. I am excited to teach about the most powerful and trending language, that is Python. This course is designed to take you from zero to hero. So why Python? Python is almost 30-year-old but it's growing very fast. Has all libraries you can imagine. Open source with a vibrant community. Python is object-oriented language. That means with the help of Python, we easily face real-life problems. Don't worry, we discuss this topic later in the course. Python is one of the most powerful and useful languages. In recent years, Python get high jump in job market. Python is easy to learn because it has easy syntax, so beginners has plus point to learn Python easily. Companies using Python: Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Netflix, Mozilla, Dropbox, and many more. So, who is this course for? Beginners who want to start, programmers coming from another language, programmers who know basic Python, basically intermediate that want to level up knowledge. After ending the topics, exercises, quizzes, or tests is provided to check your understanding. This course is also project based. You also learn best practices to writing a pretty good and clean code. After completing this course, you will feel extremely confident to putting Python programming in your resume. So what are you waiting for? Just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified when new video is uploaded our channel, and I will see you in the next lecture.